My name is Shiwei, and I'm a first-year graduate student at NYU Quran. I'm studying information system because it's kind of like combining computer science with business science. If you choose information system, there will be more path compared with computer science. You can also do software engineering, like a SDE. You can also do like a software architecture. You can even do a IT solution like manager, or even go to like business side to manage business. There's many ways for us to choose. So that's why I chose information system at NYU. So I just got here like in New York City. It's quite a shock for me, everything in every sense. The people I meet at NYU and the things I've been through is quite different. I'm starting to get into American lifestyle. Yeah, more burgers and more fries. Just kidding, yeah. I am a tech nerd kids ever since I was young, but it's most on the video game side. I played a lot of video games when I was a kid. After I grew up a little bit, I think I can just make working with computer my job. Why don't I just choose a field that I can get to spend time with, tapping on keyboard and just like reading stuff and doing stuff totally on the monitor, and that would be cool. So after I realized that, I just play less and less games and do more research on how to master my knowledge overall over a computer. And that's why I just ended up where I am today. It's in the tech industry. I went to China University of Mining and Technology for my undergraduate degree. For my bachelor's degree, I got a major in safety engineering, and I have a minor in computer science. And I get to know many classmates, professors, that they were focusing and dedicated to the researches in computer science field, especially machine learning. So that's why I find out that NYU Quran is actually have a very a prestigious research lab, and they have a center for data science, and I ended up here, and I'm very grateful. The tech industry is something else. It is it's very fast-paced and it's updating every day. So it's quite hard for me and for every people in the tech industry to stay up to date, I would say. But I talk to my friends and my professors and some of the people in the industry just to know what is the stack they're using right now to actually create something, create the profit or create the efficiency in their daily life. So I'm actually going through some midterms these couple of weeks, so that's keeping me very busy, and I got many assignments which I didn't expect at all. I take operating system by Professor Frankie this semester. It's a very hardcore courses where we have to do a lab each month. Last month we code out a linker in the compiler where you just take the string of users input and tokenize it and just parse it to do a whole linker stuff. That's quite new to me, and spent many red eyes and just crazy hours of studying, and I actually got it done before the deadline. It's very challenging, and that's what keeps me busy this semester. Many people will have the stereotypes of software engineer or computer science students or tech students. They're nerds. They're only code in the morning and before they go to bed, they code all the time. But I would say I'm a more a versatile person. I do a lot of things. I'm a musician. I create arts. I sing and I vlog, and I do many art-related stuff. In 5 years, I'll be working as a software engineer at a FANG company. Just in case you guys don't know, FANG company means the top 5 company in the tech industry, and that would be my goal in 5 years. Even though I don't realize those goals upon my graduation, I would do my best to get there quicker. I do have a mentor which I'm very grateful for. She is a software engineer at Apple, and she is also a NYU Quran alumni. We actually did a video call yesterday where she's trying to help me get an internship and just to help me to network with people. So she actually gave me some advice on how to, strike a balance and increase my time management skills, and just to get everything sorted out. That was very helpful, and I am very grateful for her. What I recommend people are interested in computer science right now is to get as much information you can and just talk to more people about in the industry what's their day-to-day life is like. And the second thing is be consistent and just to do the same thing every day. If you love want to improve your programming skills, you have to code, do some lead code stuff, or doing a like software engineering project with your friends or something. You have to do it every day. Just keep your consistency. The traits that I would say that makes you stand out in this specific field is really the passion. Because when you think of passion, you might think of like Mark Zuckerberg, where he just like coded the whole like Facebook out and he dropped college because he loved something. So when you love something, you just like want to commit your whole self to that kind of cause. So I would say if you really find coding or like building a software very fascinating, that might be a very like a major indicator that you will success in this field. For now, I'm trying to just to be a student to learn everything as much as possible, because there are many prestigious professors at NYU. They are probably the head of a lab at IBM or Meta, where if I'm not in the like NYU, I don't have the chance to meet them or talk to them. So my end goal is like first just learn everything, like especially in software engineering. I can think and code in more like a systematic way, so I don't have to like just code in a very like unprofessional way. And other thing is to also like learn machine learning and just artificial intelligence in general. And my other end goal is to become a better person in general, because I think that the experience in tech not only just increased my expertise in technology, also like teach me how to think more logically and just to make me a better person, I would say in general. Yeah, that would be my end goal.